Hello guys, I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing. So this is another Louis Vuitton unboxing on my wish list items. So I know that on my previous video I did unbox the Alma BB in an epi leather. That one is gorgeous. And this time this item has been sitting on my wish list for years. And I know there is a price increase coming, and I think this is the perfect time for me to add this particular piece in my collection. That's the thing, guys, with Louis Vuitton. I think this particular item is a permanent piece. And one thing that with Louis Vuitton is like, one thing that's not permanent is the price. So the price keep increasing, and I think this is the perfect time for me to add this beautiful piece in my collection. And let me show you what I got. This was wrapped beautifully by my essay, and this is my all-time favorite card, guys. The card tag. This one is my all-time favorite, as well as the face of Louis Vuitton. And here comes, oh my gosh, oh wow, I'm so excited for this piece, even though that it took me years and years to get this piece, but I don't care. She's here. And she is, my gosh, oh my gosh, the color is so stunning. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Okay, so this is a Louis Vuitton Felicie Pochette right there. Let me just take a look at the color. Wow, she is stunningly beautiful, and this is in Scarlet red. Wow, beautiful. Wow, it is stunning. So as you guys can see, this one is made up of this beautiful monogram empreinte leather, and let's take a look at the debossing right there of the logo. Wow, very lovely right there at the back as well. So this one is made up of one continuous piece of leather, as you guys can see, because the back is actually the other way around. Let's take a look at again the front. Wow, I have several Felice in my collection. I know that Felice, I mean, they came in with a lot of different colors, different leather. We have the monogram canvas, we have the vernis, we have the epi leather, we have the empreinte. So some of them also came in with holiday animation, as well as some seasonal as well. So anyway, this one has the gold hardware right there. And as I have noticed, the hardware right here, the press stud closure is scratched. And in the past, when I got some of my Felice, I always complain about the scratches. But then again, each time I purchase something, there's always scratches, and I think that's just the nature. That's just part of the hardware, though. You could never find something that has no hairline scratches at all. So when I look at it at the store, she tried to have it compared with the others as well, with the same color, and both has those fine scratches. So I'm just letting you know, guys, that when you receive something like this, or if you buy something like this from the website or at the store, I'm just letting you know that it is so hard to find, or maybe impossible, I must say, to find something that has no scratches at all. This one has a very distinctive scratches, as you guys could see right there. But I don't mind that, because I know that none of my Felice that has the scratches. But eventually, then if you use it, then you get those scratches. That's just part of the wear and tear. So anyway, let's open this. Have a pressed closure, and the inside has this textile lining, which is similar color of the purse. And also, let me just take out these two items right here. These two inserts are my all-time favorite. Okay, so as you guys, when you open it, there is a large compartment right away, and inside has a flat pocket at the corner. So this one has a gold chain, my all-time favorite chain from Louis Vuitton. That's because I could easily detach it and use it to set up my other purses. And let me just take this one out right here, so we can see the inside completely of what's in here. So this is how it looks inside. It does seem to look like there is a stain inside. As you guys can see, that there is a white remnants of something, as well as right here. I don't really quite get that. I had a feeling that this is a used item. That's just my feeling, or a returned item. That is my feeling, because usually when you buy something new, I don't see that. Or when you, sometimes when you purchase something at the store, they have a floor model, and they are actually selling the floor model. And sometimes some of the customers maybe use it or touch it with their hands, and it would leave some residue inside. That's probably what's in there. And then the side the pocket has already been stretched out. Right here, it's already been stretched out. Usually when you purchase the brand new one, it is tight. But this one has already been like stretched. See? And then there is a product code inside. Let me show you the product code if you guys are interested. So this is the product code, the Felicie and Empreinte in its scarlet color. The product code is 163700. And also, what else? Oh, okay. So there is a price right here. It says $1,420 US dollars. So this is the price, $1,420 US dollars. That's before tax. And I know there's going to be a price increase. I don't know how much would be the increase, maybe 5%. I have no idea. Textile. And also, yeah, I had a feeling that this is used. As far as like checking the item, I could literally see when I do a close-up on this piece, I could literally see that there is right there, that seems to look like it is a stain. It is in black, and that's just pretty much what I see from there. But I usually get scratches from the Felicie when I bought it new, like a couple or so, but this one has a lot though. This one has a ton of scratches. So I believe that this is a return piece. And now let me show you my favorite part. Favorite part of the purse are these two inserts. So the Felicie Pochette, as usual, consists of two removable inserts. So we have here the flat zip pocket. So this one has a zipper right here. Let's take a look at inside. There is some sort of I don't know, dirt. It does feel to me that I bought a pre-loved Felicie though, because I am actually seeing some sort of like I don't know, these are like sort of like dirt or whatsoever. So this is a removable zip pocket right here. Very nice, which is also has those monogram on the upfront leather. This one is just flat right there. And also we have a flat pocket as well. And this one consists of 4 card slots on each side. So there were 8 card slots right here. And this is how it looks right here on the inside. This one looks better. So this one has this beautiful, beautiful, soft and supple upfront leather. Very nice. This insert is actually my all-time favorite right here, because I could easily like slip it on my pocket. I could easily slip this in any of my purses, and it is really nice though, and it's holding up pretty well, the one that I have. This one could fit a passport right here. That's why when I travel, I love using this, and it could fit in any of your purses that doesn't take a lot of space. That's because this one is flat right there. It says there Louis Vuitton Paris, and then this one has a gold hardware as well. It says Louis Vuitton Paris as well. So yeah, so, and also this one has a tab right here, which is made up of upfront leather. I know that some people also worried about that this would rip in time. It is actually very supple and really soft. I'm not really I don't really mind the curling right that, but I think this would rip if you keep like using it or pulling it all the time. That was just my main concern for this pull tab right here. So most of the time with all my Felicie Pochette, I know that Felice is my all-time favorite. I love the fact that this one has this beautiful envelope style where you could just carry it right here as a clutch, and also use the chain if you want to use it as a crossbody bag. But this is one of the most versatile pieces from Louis Vuitton, and definitely a must-have in your collection. And also, I mentioned on my previous videos and reviews as well with my Felicie that I have never used both of these inserts right here, because both of these are taking a lot of space in the inside. So that's why I don't use them all together, but maybe I could use one at a time though. But I have never used both because it's just taking a lot of space though. So yeah, so that is just, yeah, let me just show you. Okay, so yeah, the leather is so beautiful. It's really soft, it's really supple, and honestly, like I mentioned with my Alma BB and this beautiful red color as well, they have been in my wish list. I have several, quite a lot in my wish list though. If I could only afford to get all of those, I would before the price increase. But I just picked out the items that I think that really catches my attention, even though they are not my priority, because I know that these are permanent pieces as well as the Alma that I got. But like I mentioned, the only thing that's not permanent is the prices from Louis Vuitton. They keep going up. And yeah, with this particular leather, the upfront leather, this one came in with this beautiful Scarlet as well, which I am actually holding right now. Came in with a turtle dove, which is a beige color. The navy red, which is the entire color of the purse is in navy, and the red is the interior and the piping. We have the black as well. We also have the rose puder as well, which is more likely a lighter pink. And we have the bicolor as well. That one is also lovely. They also have a variety of this epi leather, variety of colors for the epi leather. They have a vernis leather as well. And also they also have some seasonal vernis as well, which I got the one I think that was more likely in pink color. That was for the Valentine's Day. We also have those holiday animation collection as well. If you wanted to customize your Felicie, you would get you might want to try the world tour, where you could add those animations, or if you wanted to put your initials, to customize it, to if you want to make it like to personalize those stuff, they also have it as well. And this one is available in canvas. We have the Damier Ebene, Damier Azur, and the monogram as well. So it's just like everything. All of these are, I mean, this Felice is available with all the leather. My gosh, that's crazy. So yeah, it is one of, I consider it's one of the most iconic pieces from Louis Vuitton. And yeah, like I mentioned, there's going to be a price increase very, very soon. And I think it is the perfect time for me to add this in my collection. Not only that, if you have anything on your wish list, you know, like something that you've been eyeing for such a long time, and if you don't want to pay 5% or 6% on the later for the price increase, you might want to add that. I think it might be the perfect time. So anyway, wow, I still can't get over of how beautiful those debossing is. Let me just feel it. I think it's deep enough though, I think. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.